Welcome to Education Labs IQ. The more you learn, the brighter you shine.
Today, we're going to learn the names of natural disasters. Are you ready? Let's get started.
This is an earthquake.
An earthquake is when the ground shakes because the Earth's plates move.
This is a tsunami.
A tsunami is a giant ocean wave caused by an earthquake under the sea.
This is a volcanic eruption.
A volcanic eruption is when hot lava, ash, and smoke come out of a volcano.
This is a flood.
A flood is when too much water covers the land.
This is a landslide.
A landslide is when rocks and dirt slide down a mountain or a hill.
This is an avalanche.
An avalanche is when snow rushes down a mountain very fast.
This is a hurricane.
A hurricane is a very strong storm with heavy rain and strong winds.
This is a tornado.
A tornado is a spinning funnel of wind that moves quickly across the land.
This is a typhoon.
A typhoon is a strong storm that happens over the ocean, like a hurricane.
This is a cyclone.
A cyclone is a big storm with swirling winds and rain.
This is a blizzard.
A blizzard is a snowstorm with very strong winds and lots of snow.
This is a hailstorm.
A hailstorm is when balls of ice called hail fall from the sky.
This is a drought.
A drought is when there is no rain for a very long time.
This is a heat wave.
A heat wave is when the weather is very, very hot for many days.
This is a wildfire.
A wildfire is a big fire that spreads quickly in forests or grasslands.
This is a sandstorm.
A sandstorm is when strong winds blow sand through the air.
This is a dust storm.
A dust storm is when dry dirt and dust are blown around by the wind.
This is an ice storm.
An ice storm is when freezing rain covers everything in ice.
This is a thunderstorm.
A thunderstorm is when there is rain, thunder, and lightning.
This is a lightning strike.
A lightning strike is when a bright flash of electricity comes from the sky.
This is a sinkhole.
A sinkhole is a big hole that suddenly opens in the ground.
This is a mudslide.
A mudslide is when wet mud flows quickly down a hill.
This is a rockfall.
A rockfall is when rocks fall down from a mountain or cliff.
This is coastal erosion.
Coastal erosion is when waves slowly wash away the land near the sea.
This is a storm surge.
A storm surge is when ocean water rises very high during a storm.
This is a tidal wave.
A tidal wave is a very big ocean wave that comes to shore.
This is a glacial lake outburst flood.
This happens when water from a melting glacier suddenly floods out.
This is an iceberg collision.
An iceberg collision is when a big block of ice crashes into something, like a ship.
This is a meteor impact.
A meteor impact is when a space rock hits the Earth.
This is a solar storm.
A solar storm is when energy from the sun disrupts power and satellites on Earth.
This is an epidemic.
An epidemic is when many people in one place get sick at the same time.
This is a pandemic.
A pandemic is when a sickness spreads all over the world.